Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Amazing Warrior. In this video I will show you how to reverse a video, and making a reverse is very awesome tricks for you because you can make a normal video to funny video, or you can make a very common video to a very unusual video. But this option reverse is not available in the other software like TechSmith, Camtasia or Windows Movie Maker, but in this one you can get this amazing option. So without any further talking, let's start the video.
In the video editing software Wondershare Filmora, you can easily give the reverse effect, and this is very easy and cool. So first I am insert a video in my timeline. Okay, so this is the full video, but I don't want the whole video. I want the video in from here to here. Okay, and I am just pressing Ctrl V for split my video, and I am deleting this portion of my video. And let's watch this video. Ouch.
Hello, sorry for interrupt. For watching more of our videos, check the link I written here.
Okay, but I want this video in reverse from, and to do this just click on the video in the timeline or right click on it and click on edit, and just mark this one, play video clip in reverse. Click on this mark and click on OK. And if your video is more longer, then it will take few seconds to render, and just play it. And this is so funny, and this is how you can add reverse effect in your video easily in the video editing software Wondershare Filmora. That's all about our video.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you understand all this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, then please leave a comment what you don't understand. Feel free to leave a comment whatever it is. It might be a positive or negative, or it might be a suggestion, or if you don't understand, obviously you would say us. So see you again in the next video, and make sure you have subscribed our channel Amazing Warrior.